and marker, you can use just paper and pencil to show your answers on the screen. All right. Okay, a little review from yesterday before we start our warm-up. Who can turn their mic on and tell me what this is, what we call it, what it's worth, anything you know about this tool that we're going to use in math? What do you know about this tool? Arlo?
It's called a long.
It's called a long. Nice job, Arlo. Thanks for sharing. Who else could tell us something about this tool? It's called a long. What else do we know about it? Ben Goebel?
It's 10 black swans.
Yeah, it's worth 10. Yep, it's 10 little cubes pushed together worth 10. Thank you, Ben.
I have.
Oh, you do have some. Nice. Lucky, you can use those. Okay, so we have our tens blocked, and we are going to be using it again today. So this one's worth 10, remember. It's called a long. All right, who can tell me about this tool? What do we know about this math tool that we're going to use? Molly?
It's 1 block.
Yep, it's 1 cube. It's worth 1. It's only worth 1 because it's a tiny little cube, and it's called a cube or a ones block. Nice job. Okay, Miss Lumsden's going to share her screen, and I have some 10s and 1s to make a number. You're going to write the number on your whiteboard and hold it up. We are going to do a couple of those for our warm-up, okay? So remember, the longs are worth 10. You don't want to forget that. Don't count them as 1. All right, write on your whiteboard how many you see. All right, how many 1s? Yep, make sure your numbers are in the right order. How many 10s? How many 1s? Looks good, Preston. Nice job, Marnie. Nice job, Wyatt. Good job, Molly. Yes, Chase. So this one is a 10 and this is 7. So how would you write that number together? 10 and 7. What would that number look like? Nice job, Hadley. All right, good job, friends. A lot of you got that. 17. 17. How we write the number 17. 1, 7. So there's 1 10. You can see it right here. And 7 1s. So that's how you write 17. That's how many there were. Nice job. Okay, next one. How many is this? Write down the number on your whiteboard. There are 3 10s, but remember they're not worth just 3. So how much is that? How much is it showing? How much is it worth? Not just 3. There's 3 10s. Nice job, Preston. Good job, Marnie. Good job, Annabelle. Go to the next one. Look at what Miss Lumsden's showing now. Good job, Jace. Nice job, Hadley. Good job, Molly. All right, looks like most of us got that one too. Nice job. So these are worth 10. So we don't say 1, 2, 3. We say 10, 20, 30. And how we write 30, 3 and 0. So 30 is representing, these digits are representing 3 tens and 0 ones. 30. All right, here's the last warm-up question. All right, how many is this? Remember, count by tens. Yep. Nice work, Molly. Good job, Nora. I can only see some of your board, Alicia. Oh, there, I see it. Good job, Alicia. Nice job, Marnie. Good job, Alexis. That's our tens, but look down here. What are those worth? You got to add that to it. Nice job, Q. All right, nice job, friends. That was a tricky one. Yeah, level 3, that was pretty hard. So there's a lot of our tens. We're counting by tens. We're not counting by ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then there's 2 ones. So 91, 92. And this is how the number looks. 9 and 2. The 9 represents that we have 9 tens. 9, 10 long blocks and 2 ones, 2 cubes. All right, nice job. All right, there's our warm up. Now I'm asking our math message today, our question to kick off our lesson. I want you to write on your whiteboard what number comes after 10. Or, sorry, what number comes after 9? I told you the answer. Write on your whiteboard what number comes after 9. So when you're counting, write it down on your whiteboard. What number comes after 9? Nice. Looks good, Molly. Looks good, Quentin. Good job, Wyatt. Okay, I want you to leave that number on your board. And I want you to now write, too, what number comes after 39? What number comes after 39? When you're counting, what comes after 39? Nice, Molly. Nice, Marnie. Yep, okay, you have 2 numbers written down. Looks good. Yep, number 10 and number 40. So those ones come after 9 and 39. So just by looking at the digits, so just by looking at the numbers you wrote, what is the same about the number 10 and about the number 40? What's the same about them? What do you see that's the same? Nora?
They both end in zeros.
Yes, they both have zeros. An end in 0 means that the 0 is coming second, and that means that's where the ones place is. So 10 has no ones and 40 has no ones. Yep, they just have groups of 10. The number 10 is obviously just one group of 10 because it's 10, and the number 40 has 4 groups of 10 and no ones. Okay, let's look at those numbers on our 10s and 1s mat. So first, oh, I gotta make that a little bigger. Okay, so let's first put 9 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so I have 9 ones on here, but then I said, what number comes after 9? So if we're changing 9 to 10, and I add a 10th cube, what do I need to do? Now I have 10 ones. What do I need to do on this mat to make it be displayed the right way with my math tools? I have 10 cubes over here. What should I do? Alicia?
Add 3 tens.
Add 3 10s. Why 3?
Because 10, you have 10 ones, and then you add 3 more of the 10 ones.
Make 39. Is that what you're talking about?
No. Make 40.
Oh, okay. We're not going that far yet. We're just trying to make 10. Miss Lumsden has 10. What do I need to do with these 10? Do I leave it like this?
No.
Okay, what do I
should
do?
You should take all of the ones and then put a long 10 in the 10.
Over here?
No, in the 10 one.
Oh, yeah, over there. So what are we're calling that exchanging. Remember from yesterday, you need to exchange. There should only ever be up to 9 cubes in your, make sure you're on mute, friends. There should only ever be up to 9 cubes on your cube side over here, because once you hit 10, that means you have to bundle it. You have to put it together, just like we do with our straws. When we're counting the days of school and we get to 10, we put it together into a group of 10 like this. Okay, so let's try it with 39. So there's 30 and here's 9. What can I do to change it to 40? What should I do to change this 39 to 40? Can I use these tools? Molly, what should I do?
Take away all the blocks and add another stick.
Okay, so yep, we have 39. And if I add it to 40 with a cube, that means I have 10 cubes and I should exchange them, just like you said, for a long. And now we have 40. 10, 20, 30, and 40. Nice job, Molly. All right, friends, so remembering any of those numbers, so Miss Lumsden showed you 9 to 10 and 39 to 40, but every time that we get up to 9, so if we're saying, let's say 29 or 39, 49, 59, any of those that are almost to our new set of 10, so with a 9 ones, remember, if there's 9 ones and you're going up another number, that you're adding another group of 10, okay? So that's where the exchanging and the switching comes into. Okay, we're gonna look over at our number grid now. So if you wanna grab yours, you can. Miss Lumsden's gonna put hers on the screen. So we're gonna talk about some patterns we see on our number grid. We've talked about these patterns before, but now we know that the digits, when we look at them, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all those boxes only have 1 digit in it, right? You can see it only has 1 number. It doesn't have 2 numbers, okay? So then when you get to 10, you see it has 2. It has 2 digits, a 1 and a 0. So now when we're looking at all these numbers with 2 digits, that digit that comes first, so I'm going to circle all of these, 1, 1, 1, 1, this first digit, they're all ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What does that 1 mean? Does it mean just 1? Does it mean 1 cube? Like this? Or does it mean 110? Okay, so we have all these digits. Look, and they're in the front. So 11, the 1 that comes before, and then 11, or for 12, 1, then 2. Is that 1 representing a 10 or is it representing just a cube? Alicia, what do you think?
A 10, I think.
Yeah, you're exactly right. So when we look at our digits, the tens place comes first. Nice job, Alicia. So you're going to be looking. So now when you have a digit that comes first, like here, right here with your 1, you know that represents the tens. So if you look at this digit right here, you know it has 1 10 and 4 1s. Okay, and then we looked across like this. We know all of these digits have 1 10 because they're all starting with 1. Let's go down a row into our 20s. Look at this, starts with 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Our 20s are all starting with 2. That's representing 2 tens. 2 tens makes 20. So that's why the 2 is there in the front, and it's representing how many tens there are. There's 2 tens in all of our 20s numbers. The same for 30s. We have 3 tens, 3, 3, 3, 3. They all start with 3 because it's showing 3 tens. And that's the same as you go down each row, okay? And we've done that before, our rows with our numbers that start with 4 and 5 and 6. But now we know it's because that's where the tens place is. We're showing that that is how many tens that number has when it's the first digit. So if you're down here in the 60s and you look at the number 65, it has 6 tens and 5 1s. Okay, the other pattern we're looking at is going down. So we've gone across where you see they all have the same amount of tens. If we go down, so let's look at a row like this with the 4s. You can see 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, but it's all in the second spot. So it's not, they're not all starting with 4, they're all ending with 4, which is showing you how many 1s there are. So all these numbers have 4 1s. 14 has 4 1s, 24 has 4 1s, 34 has 4 1s. Okay, they all have those numbers ending. That's our 1s place. So you know how many cubes would we be using for all those numbers is 4 cubes. And then the same if you pick another column going down. Let's look at this one, the 8s column. All these numbers have 8 cubes, 8 1s. All right, so that's the pattern, but it's different now that we know that we can use it with our tens and our 1s place. So when you're looking at those 2-digit numbers where there's 2 numbers, the first one is telling you how many tens there are, and the second number is telling you how many 1s there are, okay? All right, we're gonna practice a little bit with the number grid, and then our lesson is done. So just thinking about all what Miss Lumsden just said about those patterns, okay? About how many 1s there are and how many 10s there are. So I'm not gonna ask you to write a whole number. You're just gonna be writing one number on your whiteboard. Make sure you have that. All right, let's talk about the number 45. I want you to write the number 45 on your whiteboard. 45. Okay, now I want you to circle how many tens the number 45 has. How many tens? So which number is showing you how many tens? Is it the 4 or is it the 5? I want you to circle which one you think it is. Is it the 4 that's telling you how many tens, or is it the 5 that's telling you how many tens? Nice. You should be nice, Alexis. Nice job, Hadley. The 4. Nice job. Good job, Molly. The 4. Circling the 4. The 4 is saying that there are 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens makes 40. Yep. And then in the 1s place, we have the number 5. Good work. Looks like a lot of us got that. Okay, let's try another one. Write down the number 67. 67. Nice, 67. Okay, now circle the digit that's telling you how many tens there are. How many tens are there in 67? Is it the 6 or is it the 7 that's telling you how many tens? Good job, Ben Goebel. Nice job, Hadley. Good job, Arlo. Good job, Alicia. Nice job, Marnie. Good job, Wyatt, Alexis. Nice job, Preston. Okay, so yes, that first number is telling you how many tens there are. There are 6 tens in 67. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then there are 7 ones. Okay, last one. Let's write down the number 53. 53. Circle how many tens are there in the number 53? Which digit is telling you how many tens there are? Nice job, Nora. Nice job, Alicia. Nice job, Hadley. Good job, Alexis. Nice job, Arlo. Yes, so that first digit is telling you there's 5 tens in the number 53. Good work. Okay, and there's 3 ones in that number. Okay, good job, first graders. That's the end of our place value lesson today. We're going to keep building on those skills and the patterns that are in our number grids and our blocks, all those tools. I can't wait for next week when you can all get your hands on some tens and ones and we'll be able to work on our mats and you get even better at it, okay? Nice work today. Thanks for coming to math and working hard. I'll see some of you. If I saw you yesterday for reading, I'll see you again today for reading, okay? All right, great to see you. Bye, friends.
Bye, Nora.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.